Today it's a random vlog. I don't know where am I actually going. Anxiety is hitting me so hard, so I thought that I should dress up and move out of our house. So bus is about to depart in another 10 minutes, so I'm waiting in bus stop. It's not that easy because I woke up at 10 o'clock. Time is now 1 o'clock, so I took all this way to fight and come out of my house. So let's see how it goes. I didn't decide anything. I'm going to Queen's Wharf. So actually my plan is just to take ferry and just go around the bay, but not sure what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna turn out. I didn't eat anything yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. Bus and it's 7 minutes. Queen's Wharf bus is 7 minutes walk from here. So after coming here, I have realized, can you see all those shops? Everything is in 50 to 70%. So everything has 20 to 60% off. Yeah, how come I need to come shopping again? Actually, do you think you can stop me from coming to shopping? I find this really cool shop which is 20 to 60% off. So I'm gonna try. I actually didn't buy anything, and I just realized I have only 15 minutes left for my ferry to go to Days Wharf. Let's see if I could make it or not. It's not kind of a suggestion, but I always feel like this. I know that you always struggle with anxiety. I always know that you struggle with depression. Why me? You always feel that at one point, right? But be thankful for what things you have in your life. Am I not grateful to be in New Zealand in this pandemic and enjoying and walking at this time? Though I have anxiety, I'm more privileged that I'm here, that I'm vlogging, that I'm walking on the street freely. That is what I actually want to do, right? So start embracing every single moment of your life and feel happy for what you have than what you don't. I actually only have 7 minutes and I got my ticket, and that is my ferry. Finally here in the Days Wharf. So my last ferry would be around 5:30, I guess. I'll make sure that I'll be here by 5. It's already 3, so I'll have lunch somewhere around there. So I'm so damn hungry. My brain stopped working. I couldn't dance properly also because it's already 3:15. So there is some kind of restaurant or cafe kind of thing, so I'm gonna eat something here. It's so refreshing to be here today. It's one of my favorite pizzas, so my pizza is here. I'm gonna eat it quick and think what I have to do next. I'm simply roaming, doing nothing. Look at this beautiful lake. And exactly 1 hour left for my ferry back to Queen's Wharf again. But the thing is, I recorded few dance videos going here and there to find the exact camera position. But I'm so happy. As you can see, I'm sitting and enjoying the sunset. So I'm gonna end this vlog now because in another half an hour my ferry is going to come. So I'm gonna board in and go to home and edit this vlog and post it. I don't know who wants to hear this. You should be responsible for your own happiness, not like someone else, your friends or partners. No, you should be that one spark of your life. If this vlog is useful for at least one person in my subscribers, I would be really, really happy. And as I said you before, all those firsts are really, really hard. When you wake up from the bed, it's really hard to get down from the damn bed and even go to loo. Because I have been there and every day it happens. Do you even observe? Because I didn't have my first meal till 3:30. That means I'm still, but I'm trying to keep my soul happy so that I'll get hungry. Because it's been like 4 to 5 months, I lost my appetite totally. Because a lot of people say you became skinny. Yes, I became skinny just because I don't have appetite. That is why I've started keeping myself happy so that I'll get hungry and I will eat. So it's okay if you're sad. It's okay. Everything. It's okay to be not okay. And that is how you learn. And that is what life is all about. I want to speak about anxiety more, but I wanted to know like
for who all this is actually useful. If you could comment, or if you don't want anyone else to know that you have anxiety or depression, just comment me personally, because message me personally. I always reply to all of your DMs. So please let me know, and it will give me some kind of idea like what I have to do further. And I'll do more and more vlogs, like how I deal with my daily life when I get when I'm totally mood off, all such things. So please comment and let me know. So thank you so much for watching my video. For such more videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you.